Do you want to learn how to play the ukulele? I mean, of course you do. Why else would you be here? Do you want to learn how to play the ukulele and sing at the same time? Now that's a different thing. You see, when I play the ukulele, I'm not thinking about chords, not thinking about strumming. I can think about whatever I want. I could think about what I'm gonna eat for lunch today. I could think about maybe the groceries I need to buy. Or, you know, what the heck do marshmallow farmers do on their off-season? You should check out my ukulele course, jamesdiazmusic.com/ukulele, link in the description below. It's $25, and the focus of this course is to help you play the ukulele without thinking about strumming patterns. Now see, how does that help you play the ukulele and sing at the same time? It's a great question. Glad you asked. You see, if you can play the ukulele without having to really think about it, it's gonna make playing the ukulele and singing a lot better because you mastered one of the things, if that makes sense. The ukulele will now become more a part of you than so many different translations in your brain, trying to think of like, okay, down, down, up, down, up, somewhere, down, down, up, down, over the sound, down, up, you know, because you already have the strumming patterns, you don't have to think about that part. It's kind of like eating a bowl of cereal and driving. If you've never driven before, that's going to be super hard. And it's not recommended. I'm not recommending that. But if you've been driving for like 10, 25 years, you could pretty much do anything while you're driving. You could eat a bowl of cereal, you could hold a cup of coffee, a cup of tea, you could even sleep. Please don't do that. Learn how to play the ukulele with confidence. Check out my ukulele course, jamesdiazmusic.com/ukulele. Link in the description below. Number one girl on the ukulele. What we're going to do, I'm going to go over all the chords for you. The good thing about the chords is they all repeat for the verses and the chorus. The bridge, they change, but for pretty much the whole song, the chords repeat, and they're not too bad. Then I'm going to play the first verse and the second verse and the chorus and the bridge just so you can see where the chords are placed in the song, and then we'll go over a strumming pattern that you could use. So, the chords for the intro, it's just a C and a D. That's it. It's just a C and a D. I know it sounds like there's a lot of chords for the intro. It's because the piano's doing a bunch of stuff, but it's really just a C and a D, and I'll show you guys what I mean later. The chords for the first verse, the second verse, the chorus, and all the other verses is gonna be as follows. It is a G chord to a D to an E minor, back to a D, then a C, a B minor, a C, and a D. And then those chords just repeat, all of those chords. So G to a D, E minor to a D, C to a B minor, C to a D. The chords for the bridge, it's going to start with an A minor, then you're going to go to a G and a D, then you're going to play an E minor and a D, and then go back to a G and a D. And then you're going to repeat most of those chords, just the very last chord is going to change. So A minor, G, D, E minor, D, and then instead of playing a G and a D, you end the bridge on a C, and then go back into all of the regular chords for the rest of the song. At the very, 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 very end of the song, she repeats the number one girl in your eyes, the number one girl in your... When she repeats number one girl in your eyes, so the first time it's a C and a D, when she repeats it, it's a D and a G, and then you end the song. So what I'm going to do for you, I'm going to play the intro, I'll play the first and the second verse and the chorus and the bridge, just so you can see where the chords are placed in the song, and then I'll go over a strumming pattern you could use at the end. Alright, so the intro. On the piano it goes dun 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 dun, and then you go into the first verse. All we're doing is playing a C and a D, so it goes like this. Dun 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 dun, tell me that I'm special. That's it. So dun 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 dun. Then you go into the first verse. Tell me that I'm special. Tell me I look pretty. Tell me I'm a little angel, sweetheart of your city. Say what I'm dying to hear, 'cause I'm dying into the chorus. Isn't it lonely? I'd do anything to make you want me. I'd give it all up if you told me that I'd be the number one girl in your eyes. You're one and only. So what's it gonna take for you to want me? I'd give it all up if you told me that I'd be the number one girl in your eyes. Third and fourth verse is the same as the first and second verse, just different words. So I'm gonna go down to the bridge. The girl in your eyes, the girl in your eyes. Tell me I'm the number one girl, I'm the number one girl in your eyes. Then you repeat that. The girl in your eyes, the girl in your eyes. Tell me I'm the number one girl, I'm the number one girl in your eyes. End on the C there. Then you go into the chorus again. That's where all the chords are placed in the song. So now we'll go over a strumming pattern that you could use. So it's gonna be down, up, up, 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 down. So those are all the chords, and that's the strumming pattern that you could use for this song. I'll see you guys in another one. So if you want to learn how to play the ukulele with confidence, you're confident that you can strum the ukulele, you're confident you can play chords, you're not even thinking about the strumming pattern anymore, you should check out my ukulele course. Or if you want to buy it for someone else, a friend, a brother, a sister, a sibling, a son, daughter, niece, nephew, first baby's Christmas, whatever, you should check it out. It's $25. You will become a master at strumming the ukulele without even having to think about strumming anymore. So that way you can move on to actually playing the ukulele and singing along with it. And it'll be so much more fun. So if you're looking to master chords and strumming and be able to have more fun playing the ukulele, check out my course. Give the gift of learning how to play the ukulele to somebody that you know and love this year. It's $25. It won't be $25 forever. You should get it now.